What you can expect when you come to the Redwood Design Center is a friendly atmosphere. I'm relaxed. I like to sit down and go through your project thoroughly, make sure that we get all details that are important to you. I want you to go through your designs, your kitchen, and think through every possible aspect of it, from cooking to kids playing in there, needing to do homework, as well as storage and how you function in your everyday life. We actually offer anything from a really basic cabinet on up to a very high-end custom cabinet. We can have it painted or finished to anything that you want. You can go to Sherwin-Williams, you can find different stain options. We have it all. Here I also offer a couple of different countertop options. We've got quartz. Here pretty soon we'll have porcelain as an option as well, and we can do any granite. So come on down when you have some time. You can give me a call, schedule an appointment online. We can get you all put together and get the kitchen of your dreams.